Hey guys, welcome back to my channel, and today is going to be a quick drugstore makeup tutorial, and we're gonna create this soft pink daytime shopping college that sort of makeup which does not have a lot of loud colors and you can wear it anywhere, anytime. So without any more talking, let's just get right into the video. So I have already done my brows and moisturized my skin. Now let's get started with the rest of the makeup. So after moisturizing your skin really well, we will go with a primer, and the primer I'm using today is Milani Prime and Correct. I have really tried this primer a lot and I kind of like it. It does fill in your pores really well. It's silicone based, so this is a really good drugstore option if you're looking for a nice primer which is affordable. This is really a good option. Now let's go in with the foundation, and the foundation I'll be using today is NYX Can't Stop Won't Stop foundation. The color is beige. Because it is a daytime makeup, I am going for this foundation. It definitely gives you the coverage you need, but it's not heavy or cakey on your skin at all. So this is a really good budget foundation, which I anyways like a lot. It's not that I'm doing an affordable makeup look, so that is why I'm using this foundation. If you go through other videos of mine, or if you have been watching other videos of mine, you know I have been using this foundation a lot. So this is a good foundation regardless of the price, so you can definitely give this a try. So you see how beautiful this blends. It gives you the right amount of coverage, however it does not look heavy on your face whatsoever. I use this a lot while I'm getting ready for going to shopping or anywhere. If I'm going in the daytime, I absolutely love using this one. So in my opinion, this is one of the best affordable foundations out there. Next up, it's time for concealer. So I am going to go with our cult favorite concealer, LA Girl Pro Conceal in the shade Pure Beige. So I just take this on my hand first and then apply it. I do not apply it directly from the brush because it kind of pumps a lot on the brush and you do not need that much, and then it just becomes very difficult to blend it out if it's just too much of concealer. Just take it a little bit on your hands and then use the brush on the tube to apply it, but don't just squeeze the tube and then apply directly. Now let's go ahead and blend this out. Now I'm also going with the same beauty sponge on my eyes with whatever product, whatever concealer is left on the beauty sponge, because I am not specifically applying any eyeshadow base today, because as we are going with a very soft look, I am skipping the eyeshadow base because I don't think it's needed with a very soft look. So this is basically going to be the eyeshadow base. Now we're gonna set all of this with a setting powder, and the setting powder I'm gonna use today is Maybelline Fit. This is the powder that I've used the most in all the brands that I own, so this is how good it is. It's one hell of a setting powder, you guys. So if you're looking for an affordable option, this one is the way to go. The shade I use is 20 light medium. I'll go with the same sponge and take a little bit of powder on it and then set my under eyes. Now if you guys have ever wondered why I only get extensions on one hand and not on the other hand, is because I did used to get extensions on both of them, but my right hand extensions used to break like anything. You know, I had to get them redone even before the filling day, and it was just a task to keep them. Also, one very important reason I don't have extensions in my right hand is because sometimes I need to blend my concealers with my hands or maybe apply a shimmer eyeshadow. It was not an easy life. Next, for contour, I'll be using Kiko Milano contouring stick. I have been loving this since the time I have it. I only use this. This is so convenient to use. So coming back to the nails point, so the lockdown started and nobody could go to nail salons, and I actually did not get my nails done for like 2 to 3 months. But then I had a craving to get my nails done, and it was not safe to go out and get them done, so I ordered all of the nail products and stuff, and I started doing my nails myself. It was just not possible for me to do nails on my right hand because I have a dominant right hand. I can only probably work with my right hand a lot, not with my left hand so much. So it was easy for me to do nail extensions on my left hand with my right hand, but it was just not happening, you know. I still did them, but then they did not last, they broke away, and I just thought it's not worth so much of effort, because you have the comfort of having short nails and you have the bling of having big nails, so why not have the best of both worlds? So since then I have shorter nails in my right hand and bigger nails in my left hand, which I am kind of enjoying. So that's the entire story of my nails, you guys. All of you guys who have permanent extensions for long periods of time, I know you guys will find it relatable, because people who have it, they know how difficult it is. So we are done with the contour, and now we are going to go with the blush. And the blush that I'm gonna be using today is Nykaa Get Cheeky Brazilian Bombshell, and you see I have hit the pan, you guys, with this one. This is amazing blush. I have used it straight for 1 year. So this is my go-to blush. It has been for the last year. I somehow love this mix of coral and pink. So this is a little quick fix trick that I'll tell you guys. After you've done your contour and blush, you need your regular compact powder, and just make a semicircle with the sponge that comes with it, and just make a straight line under your cheeks to get that chiseled cheekbone. You can definitely do this with a loose powder as well, but this is an easier way, because most of us always have our regular compact to like dab some oiliness if you need to. Similarly, you can also use this for your nose contour, and this is definitely gonna give you a more natural looking contour, because I don't know, for some reason this powder is not that heavy, then it just looks natural. We are gonna let this set, and we're gonna do the eyes and lips, and then we're gonna go with the highlighter after this has blended, because we cannot go with the setting spray with this. The eyeshadow palette that I'm gonna be using today is the first eyeshadow palette that I bought ever, and this one is Makeup Revolution Flawless 3 palette, and this is how it looks. It's really a very safe palette to go with. You can also use any other palette. Everyone has that palette, Rosé in the Air Wet n Wild, so you can use that as well. It has all the pinky shades that we need. So I will be going with this corally pink shade, taking a Wet n Wild eyeshadow brush. I will be applying this all over my eyelid. Now you can leave this here, or if you feel like, you can also top it up with some foil shades or any foil shade that you have, a little champagne gold shade. You can just apply it little bit on the center of your lids and you'll be good to go. But I will leave it here because I want this look to be really soft and subtle. Going on with my usual winged liner, and the liner I will be using today is Epic Ink NYX. This is an affordable eyeliner, and this is my go-to eyeliner. I do not use any other eyeliner than this one, so you can blindly go for this. This is an amazing eyeliner, you guys. Now you can most definitely just apply a mascara and be done with it, but if you're a falsies person, then apply your falsies. So this is how it turned out after eyelashes. I did not apply very heavy eyelashes. The eyelashes that I used is Henaa Haina Beauty, and the name is Hamida. You can go for any other brand eyelashes, but make sure that they are not very heavy, because they are beautiful but they are light. Now let's just blend out all the edges of our setting powder. I'm gonna go with the same sponge that you get with the compact powder. The one that I'm using is Fit Me, as you guys know. So I am just gonna blend this with the contour with the same sponge. So there is always a little bit of powder still on the sponge, and it makes the entire look and the blend really flawless. To set everything, I'm gonna use NYX Dewy Finish Setting Spray. This is such a good setting spray for daytime makeup. It melts all your powder products and it is made to make your skin look dewy. Also, what I love about this setting spray is this spray sprays the product very evenly on your face. So the lipstick I'm using today is Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. The shade is Give Me Mocha. It has been my favorite lipstick since a very long time. It's a really beautiful nudie pink shade. Back in the days, I was in love with this shade. I've gone through so many bottles of this. So the time I got married, this was my go-to lipstick. I would like wear this every day. The setting spray has dried down. It's time for the highlighting, and the highlighter that I'm using is the cult favorite, the best drugstore highlighter ever, without a doubt. And this is Wet n Wild Mega Glow, and the shade is Precious Petals. You will see. So if you see that difference, speaks for itself, you guys. Just see how beautiful this glows. Just see the difference. So that is it for today, guys. I hope you really enjoyed creating this soft, subtle daytime look with me. Thank you so much for watching, guys, and see you in the next video. Till then, bye bye.